Today we're looking at the Amazon Echo Show 5. I'm going to unbox it and set it up right now. Welcome back. I'm Kevin Kaye from KevinKaye.com, and on this channel I do a lot of YouTube tutorials, product reviews, and a lot of live streaming. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. There are a lot of things that you can do with the Amazon Echo Show 5 with Alexa, so I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video so that you can get more information and find out about everything you can do with Amazon Echo Show 5 with Alexa, including the technical details. The Amazon Echo Show 5 with Alexa comes nicely packaged. Yours might look a little different than mine. Mine's in Canada. But as you can see, they give you a nice little rip tab. You can open it up and we'll get to unboxing right now. We just simply open this flap and there's really not a lot to it. Once we open the rest of the box, we just pull the Echo Show 5 right out and it's protected by a cellophane packing. We'll take that off in a moment. As we look in the box, we see that there's another couple of things here, just some simple information in some little booklets that they've given, one in English, one in French, because again, I'm in Canada, and when we take out that extra piece of cardboard, we find our power cord inside. All we have to do now is remove the plastic wrap. It's very easy, but it's nice that they include that to protect the screen. Now I'm just going to carefully pick up the device and plug in the power cord. There's really no on button. It'll start up by itself, as we'll see in another moment. Setting up the device only takes about 15 or 20 minutes max, but I'm going to skip through a couple of the simple things that happen on the screen so that we don't see too much repetition. We get a few logos and the screen flips a few times to let us know that something's happening and the device is getting ready to set up. Again, I'm in Canada, so you're seeing some English and some French. Your device might be slightly different. I'll select English.
Hello. Ready for setup.
Now it's time to pick our wireless network, and then it's going to be time to enter a password. Once you've selected your network and put in your password, just click connect, and then the device will start connecting to your network, and it'll look for registration data with Amazon. It may want you to make an account. You'll need a one-time password, which is just a verification code you can get from your phone. Once you've got that, enter it in, and the device will register to your account. You just want to double check that you're in the right region and right time zone. And then you can select where in your home you're going to keep the device. I'm keeping mine in the bedroom at the nightside table, so it's fine. And it's named Kevin's Echo Show. Now they want us to download the app. I'm on an iPhone 11, so I'm going to use the Apple App Store. Your process will be similar whether you're on an iPhone or an Android device. Go ahead and download it. Once you've downloaded the app, you just want to open it up and allow the permissions that it requests so that it can connect to the device. Now you're going to need an account for Amazon Alexa. And again, you'll need a one-time password, which they're going to send you via your phone, similar to what you see happening for me here. Yours will be similar, and then just enter that in, and you can choose not to require a one-time password on that browser if you'd like to. It says, welcome to Alexa, and now we can continue, and it's going to ask us to set up a device. I had trouble here. I had to stop the app and restart it to get it to connect, but it ended up working. You may not have the trouble I did. You select your device, just Echo, then click yes, and it'll start setting up the device itself, and then the device will recognize that your phone is connected. We're going to see a lot of features here. It just wants to double check that this is the right name and get the permissions for your phone that it needs to connect to the device. I'm going to skip the phone number because I have a couple of Amazon accounts. And now it's time for the fun part. We're going to use our voice to get Alexa set up. Just follow the prompts. Alexa, what's the temperature outside? Alexa, play music. Alexa, turn off the light. Alexa, add milk to my shopping list. Once we've added our voice profile, it's time to add the device to our phone. All we're going to do is hit the plus up in the top right here. Select bedroom. And our Echo Show is right at the top there. When I click it, we see a lot of settings we can access from the phone if we want to.
Hi, we're glad you're here. It's time to get you and your Echo Show 5 off and running. Here are 3 things to try first. Number 1, use your voice. You could say something like, Alexa, play happy music.
Okay, here's a station you might like.
Number 2, try using the touchscreen. Number 3, choose your perfect clock face. To get started, say, Alexa, customize my clock. This is just the beginning of things you can do with your Echo Show 5. For more things to try, just ask, Alexa, what can I say? Welcome to your new Echo Show 5.
This device is ready.
Now it's going to set itself to the home screen, and we're just going to get a quick look, and then there's going to be a tutorial, and it's going to let us know what it can do.
Hello and welcome. Let's get you started with 4 things to try. You can say stop at any time. To talk to me, say my name, and ask me something. Try, what's the weather in Toronto?
Alexa, what's the weather in Toronto?
In Toronto, it's 32 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. I can also play music. Try, play songs from the 90s.
Alexa, play songs from the 90s.
She's in my head.
For the headlines, try saying, play news from CBC.
Alexa, play news from CBC.
For kitchen help, try saying, add bananas to my shopping list.
Alexa, add bananas to my shopping list.
Okay, I've added bananas to your shopping list. Thanks for chatting. Now it's time to explore. For inspiration, there's always a hint on your screen. Or ask me, what can you do?
You'll see when I swipe in from the right here, you've got icons so you can explore apps and different things, and it's got a couple of simple things to get you used to the device here. I can put that away and then swipe down from the top, and I've got my settings, I've got a do not disturb, brightness, and I've got a home button I can click. There are a lot of things that you can do with the Amazon Echo Show 5 with Alexa, so I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video so that you can get more information and find out about everything you can do with Amazon Echo Show 5 with Alexa, including the technical details. That's a look at the Amazon Echo Show 5. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, I'd love it if you'd give it a thumbs up and share it with anybody who you think would like to see it. If you have any comments or questions about the Amazon Echo Show 5, leave them in the comments section below here, and then consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.